Mama.
Mama and Axie. Now, can you... what animal is this right here? What's that? Is that a lion? Can you say lion? Oh! What animal is that? Penguin. Good. What animal is this? Do you know?
No, that's it.
Zebra. What is this? What does this animal say?
Gorilla.
Like a gorilla, but it's a chimpanzee. What's this animal? Do you know?
Gorilla.
Looks like a gorilla, doesn't it? Arms really look like a gorilla, but it is a chimpanzee. Look, do you know what this is?
Same.
Owl. What does an owl say? What's this?
Mom.
What's that?
Mom.
It's not a worm, it's a hippopotamus.
Go.
Hippo. What's that?
Heron.
Heron, it does. It's a flamingo. What's this?
Turtle.
Turtle. Good, honey. Really good. What's that?
Turtle.
Squirrel. Good, Axel.
Hawk.
Yeah. What's this? What's this animal? Look. What's this one right here, honey? Oh, I know that's you, but what's this right here? Can you tell me? Look, Axie. No. Axel. Can you say... Oh. Can you say happy birthday?
Happy birthday. Gorilla.
Gorilla.
Bye-bye.
Butterfly.